Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I'm reporting from the Wingate by Wyndham Charlotte Airport, North Carolina. And I just checked into hotel room number 310. And I'm just going to give you guys a quick tour of my room. As you can see, it's a king-size bed, spacious room, all right. I just asked the guy who checked me in if there's any food options around here, if there's anything in walking distance, and he said no, there isn't. So you can order, I guess that's the name of the game here, is that you order food. Okay, let's turn on the AC a little bit here. There you go, boom. Okay, good size fridge, microwave. Here's the bathroom. Everything looks pretty clean. This is going to be the biggest test, is the bathtub, right? All right. Ceiling panels, that's interesting. So I wouldn't say this is the oldest hotel, like it's older-ish, I guess you could say. It's definitely not a brand new one, but overall it's pretty decent. And yeah, the AC is working, so that's good news. All right, folks. Thanks for watching Travel Guru TV. Do not forget to subscribe. Have you stayed in Charlotte before? Have you stayed at an airport hotel before? Do you have any idea where you can get any food in walking distance? Please comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and peace.